Ontop inside Edo today and onto Obaseki tech reforms. Facebook don launch developer circle for Benin City. Facebook, wey be ogbonge giant for technology, don launch im developer circle for Benin City. Dis circle na beta chance wey dey allow pipo wey sabi technology well make dem throway body put on top how dem go take learn new technology with local experts and make dem for do collabo with technology developers wey go fit build products. One of the leaders for Facebook developer circle for Benin City, Izoduwa Asemota, tok am for inauguration of the Facebook circle wey shele for Edo Innovation Hub for Benin City. Say the circle na community for developers to take know more about their skills, and e go help bring people wey like technology and entrepreneurship together, and e go still make plenty youths dey together to create startup groups and build products wey go develop the community. Asemota explain say Benin circle plan na to get incubation center wey startup go for dey get mentorship so that dem go get ogbonge products. Senior Special Assistant to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top skills development and job creation, Ukinebo Dare, tok say Edo State government dey proud to be part of Facebook developer circle for Benin. She tok say Facebook don launch dis their circle for Lagos with 20,000 members, and today na about 1,000 members na don register for Facebook developer circle for Benin, and dem dey expect more pipo to register. Director for Cluster Promotion and Management for Edo Jobs, Uyi Umagbai, na come represent Ukinebo Dare. She tok say Facebook developer circle na opportunity for developers to do collabo, dey educated and grow their business idea and startups. She tok say Edo State government go create platform wey the developers go take meet with other creative hubs wey dey for inside Edo Innovation Hub. Some of the registered members of Facebook developer circle for Benin come salute Facebook and Edo State government for the opportunity wey dem give youths to be techpreneurs, as dis one go help dem contribute to Edo State growth and development. Na here we see dis ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. As e be say Obaseki tech reforms don carry Facebook come Benin make dem come launch their developer circle. Make una know say dis ogbonge update wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. To dey get more of dis ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.